మీకు మారుతున్న కొద్దీ ఇయర్స్ ఇంకా ఛాలెంజెస్ పెరిగే ఉంటాయి కదా! మరి వాటిని ఎలా ఫేస్ చేశారు? అండ్ మీరు మెటీరియల్స్ ఇవన్నీ యూజ్ చేసుకోవడంలో మరి దాని తర్వాత జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకున్నారా?
Yeah. I'm concerned about the quality of the materials. So whenever I'm selecting the materials for the buildings, depends upon the buildings. So all materials means every materials. Suppose a building ground plus 1 floors will be there, ground plus 10 floors will be there, the apartment will be there, industrial building will be there, commercial building will be there. Every loading system will be different among that. So according to that, which material will be holds good for the buildings we consider. So before considering this, we'll find out the brands. I will look into the concern about the materials.
Okay.
Even the steel, cements also. Just only seeing the advertisement, and I will not recommend for the constructions.
Right.
I will go for the test certificates, my own certificates, because I will send the samples without knowing them. Randomly take and I will send to the our institutions to get the certificates, experimental certificate, test certificates.
అంటే వాళ్ళు చూపించేది కాకుండా మీరు కూడా దాన్ని టెస్ట్ చేసి కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాతనే.
Certainly, I will not believe not like that. But until it is, because I am the final authority to give the answer responsibility for the buildings which are raising multi-story buildings.